Hi guys, we are going to read a fun bedtime story called Steam Train, Dream Train. If you like trains, you are going to love this one because this one comes with some sound effects. Some great sound effects too. So you're going to like this one. Steam Train, Dream Train. There's the long train. Look, it's got a dinosaur on it with a tree. I'm not sure what that is there. And doesn't it look like a giraffe peeking out of the caboose? I think we'll find out. Through the darkness, clickety-clack, coming closer down the track. Hold your breath so you can hear, huffing, chuffing, drawing near. A whistle blares out in the night. A mighty engine, wondrous sight. The smokestack puffs, the big wheels grind, the trusty tenders close behind. Cling, clang, the bell rings out on top. Hissing steam, brakes squeal, then stop! The driver signals to the crew. Each worker knows just what to do. Quick! Before it gets too late, start to load up all the freight.
Here we go.
Everything will soon be stowed, a train car matched to every load. The crew slides back the boxcar doors and tumbles in to start their chores. They whirl, twirl, cartwheel, jump, but cargo's stowed without a bump. Things that rock and roll and spin, all are juggled safely in. The freight is loaded as they play. They work and bounce the night away. Building blocks, erector sets, bikes and kites and model jets. The boxcar is made to safely haul almost anything at all.
Careful.
The hopper's top is open wide, so cargo can be poured inside. The crew hops to it, one and all. They get to work and have a ball. Then with a bounce, a pounce, a leap, 3 boys jump in and fall asleep. Tankers lined up in a row are getting filled with paints to go. Purple, yellow, green, and blue, a color convoy coming through. The reefer car is snug and cold. Its chilly box can safely hold frozen treats for every stop, like a rolling ice cream shop. The train car is packed. The crew sits back and chills out with a midnight snack. 10 hard workers lend a hand to fill the gondolas with sand. Sand for castles, moats, and more. Sand for tunnels, sand galore. Stacked up on the auto rack, 6 race cars for a private track.
Awesome, dude.
Rainbow colors, flames and stripes, shiny engines, chromy pipes. The auto rack will gently keep these fast cars all fast asleep. The well cars carry giant beasts, munching on enormous feasts. Brachiosaurus likes the view, while T-Rex gets a bone to chew. The flatbed cars are rolling beds. The weary crew can rest their heads and settle in and tuck in tight. Their work is finished for tonight. The red caboose is last in line. From the lookout, all looks fine.
All clear.
The freight and crew are tucked away. The next stop is another
Good
day.
night, everyone.
A hiss, a jolt, a shift and sway. Now the journey's underway.
All aboard.
The train's departing car by car. The headlight fades into the stars. Puffing, chuffing, out of sight. Steam train, dream train. Shh. Good night. And look, it was this little boy's toy train all along. See that down there? Aw. The end. Aw, that was a good book. I hope you guys liked that one. That was really fun. I loved all the sound effects. Those were great. And we're going to start a new chapter book in our next video called The Chicken Squad, The First Misadventure. So you'll have to tune into that video as well. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye.